Hi, my name is Terry Bates. I'm a viticulture research associate with Cornell University, stationed at the Cornell Lake Erie Research and Extension Lab in Portland, New York. I'm also the project director for a USDA Specialty Crop Research Initiative project on spatial vineyard management. We call our project Efficient Vineyard, and really that's what it's all about, is being able to manage our vineyards more efficiently. It's about bringing precision agriculture tools that are out there in other ag industries and bringing them into the world of grapes to increase our productivity of our vineyards and decrease the cost of production and either increase or maintain fruit quality. This whole project got started because us as viticulturists have been doing viticulture research for years, and universities and other organizations have been doing for centuries, viticulture research, looking at the effect of environmental conditions and vineyard management to increase productivity and fruit quality. So if a vineyard manager or a grower has a problem in their vineyard, we are pretty confident that we can go out and measure the different things in that vineyard and come up with a diagnosis of the problem and then what we're going to do to fix that problem in a particular part of the vineyard. But because vineyards and vine growth and productivity is so integrated, water and nutrient availability affecting vine growth and productivity, canopy growth and trellis design, looking at light interception and how we're going to translate sunlight energy into biological energy, and then the balance through management of reproductive growth and vegetative growth of the vine in a perennial system, because what you do in year one is going to affect year two. And we know that this is a pretty complex and integrated system, and so we're looking at what the next step is in an increased vineyard efficiency, and we know that all those different factors that are all integrated so well also differ going across the vineyard. So what you're doing at one end of the vineyard isn't necessarily going to be the best management practice for the other end of the vineyard based on the differences in environmental conditions or management practices. So what we are trying to do is use mobile sensors throughout the vineyard that look at soil characteristics, canopy characteristics, and crop characteristics spatially throughout a vineyard block, being able to layer that data, integrate it, come up with information spatially within that vineyard that the grower can then use to apply variable rate management decisions. And then even with vineyard mechanization equipment, being able to do that variable rate management on the fly with the machines that they have in their vineyards. So that's really what the project is about. It's quite an integrated project, so we have engineers working on developing new sensors to either look at soil, canopy, or crop characteristics. We have precision ag specialists that help us look at spatial data, do appropriate statistical analysis on that spatial data, and tell us what that information means and how we can use it in the vineyard. We have viticulturists across the United States working together in different industries, juice, wine, and table grape industries, to look at variable rate management and how that variable rate management will affect productivity and fruit quality. Then we bring in an economist to help us understand the dollars and cents and profitability of that variable rate management. And we have a really good team of extension specialists that will take that information from the research team and translate that and disseminate it out to the grower population so that we can get the information from this project out to people that are going to use it. So welcome to efficientvineyard.com. This is our website that we're developing for the project. You can look at the pages here to see what the project is all about. You can stop back and see the progress that we're making on the project, and you can get information on extension and outreach activities that we're going to have to educate the industry on the results of this project as we move forward. So thank you, and stop back.